We always want to make something frequently used in daily life. Something that looks extraordinary, that could be placed on any desk. Something you have never seen before as a gift. What if we integrate all of our ideas into one product? Introducing WOWSTICK.
Don't make a move, don't make a sound. We can hide away.
The new pocket bowl pens are compact and designed to travel with you. They're offered in a range of options and materials so you can find the one that's perfect for your needs. Hi, Kevin here. After the very exciting success of our EDC project here on Kickstarter last year, I'm excited to offer this new pen that's very convenient to deploy and use. I had a lot of fun during the development of this pen and explored numerous options and decided on the bolt action mechanism. This simple mechanism is extremely strong and robust. All components are made from solid metal. The internal moving bolt is spring operated and carries the loop refill. With the thumb stud, you can quickly move the bolt into the open and closed positions. As I developed this bolt action mechanism for a pen that would go in your pocket, I quickly realized it needed a way to lock closed, so it wouldn't accidentally open and right on your clothing or bag. With this need, I developed the auto locking feature that automatically forces the bolt into the lock position when you close the bolt. This innovative feature really makes these pens unique and fun to use. I've created 3 versions of the pocket bowl pen. First is the simple pocket version that was designed to be carried in your bag or pocket and utilizes the auto locking feature. Second is the keychain version that is the same as the pocket version but adds an integrated split ring and simple screw feature that allows you to attach the pen to your key ring or bag, then easily remove it. This way you will always know where to find your pen. And third is the unique clip version. This design doesn't offer a locking feature, but it provides the ability to quickly and easily clip the pen to notebooks or pockets. To add even more functionality, you can also have your pen laser engraved with both millimeter and inch measurement scales. All of the pocket bowl pens use a standard V1 refill. The pens will come with the Auto brand refill installed, but you can use any of the readily available V1 refills. Simply unscrew the tip to replace the refill. A rubber O-ring ensures the tip stays in place. As you can see, I have the designs completed and ready to be produced. I've made the big plunge and already purchased some high precision stainless ready to make these pens. This way I have control over the quality and speed of production. Now I really need your support to make this project happen, to get the rest of the tooling and raw materials needed to start production. I really hope you love these pens and will help to make them a reality. Please let me know if you have any questions, and thanks a lot for watching.